Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm so excited, guys, because I show the best way to boost your Instagram page 0 to your first 10,000 followers, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, why I'm telling you up to 10,000? Because 10,000 followers is hard to reach, guys. Once you reach up to 5,000, it will automatically increase your followers, guys, and your content, guys. And it's also I show some of my tricks and tools you can boost your page, guys, to the pro level, guys. And this video is gonna be fun, guys, because this is the first video I use some tips and tricks, guys. Please let me know, guys, this video helps you or not, because I'll show some of the universal trick, guys, every Instagrammer know, but the beginners do not know, guys. So I decided put this video explain step by step. It might be a long video, guys, so watch until end, guys. Okay, guys, let's dive in this video. Before diving this video, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. This is the online business entrepreneur YouTube channel. Like and share and comment below, guys. What about your thought about this video, guys? Let's without any further ado, let's go, guys. This is the Instagram page, guys. I use the desktop version because I explain little bit easier in the desktop version, guys. I show little trick on the last with my mobile version, guys, how to post over and over again with easily simple trick, guys. I show how to post, guys. Just this is the Instagram page, guys, and this is my page, guys. If you want to follow my page, go to travel.upstart, guys, on Instagram. This is I created for you, guys. I created yesterday and I got already a 40 followers, guys. I just post 18 post only. You see, guys, this is the travel niche. You can choose any kind of niche, guys. This is the travel niche, and I don't post as much as I can, guys, because I have another work I can do and record a video for you, guys, and I have another jobs and another household income, something stuff like that, guys, and I don't post as much as I can, guys. But you can post, guys. You can post as much as I can. Instagram rule says how much you can post and how much followers the post will get you, guys. If you post 100 posts per day, it will automatically, but it's not possible. Post at least 10 posts per day, guys, from starting, guys. That's only you can gain followers, guys. This is the trick number 1, guys. Just to post another people's post, guys. This is called repost, guys. You probably heard of how to repost and what's a repost, guys. If don't, I recommend go watch my video, this video, guys, not another video. Watch till in this video, guys, and I show how to repost, guys. This is my page. Just to search, guys, just to search hashtag with travel, guys. This is the hashtag I search for you, guys. Just to click travel photography, as some hashtag photos are coming, guys. This is the post you can repost, guys. Must you can do just I post for it, just I explain, guys. Just to click this post, guys. Just to post this photo, guys, and in your description or a caption you can credit these people, guys. Just FJ Limek, I don't what's the name, I don't know, guys, but FJ Limek, guys. Credit this person on your caption, guys, or description, whatever it may be. Credit this person, guys. I show how it's credit your person. Just go my account, guys, and just I show, guys, how it's work, guys. Just to see, guys, just I post this post in earlier, guys. Just it gets 9 like, guys, just 2 hours ago, guys. You see, guys, just I credit, guys. You see, I just credit this person, guys, who's that photo. This is called repost, guys. You can repost any post you want, guys, and you can credit the post owner, guys. That only you can get any copyrighted issue, guys. Why these people, sir, allow you to post, guys? Because they need some followers, guys. If you page have 1 million followers, you post their photo, they get some followers, guys, easily with your, because they get exposure of their content, guys. Easily they can get lots of followers, guys. This is a trick. You can easily repost, guys. There is no copyright issue. Just to put credit on your caption, guys. It's easy, guys. That's a trick 1 I show. The second trick 1, how you can find some hashtag, guys. Easy hashtag, and the hashtag is the easiest way to make your account all the way to the pro level, guys. Once you reach a pro level, you can easily make some good amount of money with Instagram influencing, guys. Just to show, guys, take this one guys. Sorry guys, this is not as much as like, just to show the better one guys. Click this one guys, just show guys. This is comes from only one hashtag guys. Did you see guys? There is a comment, some people are commenting guys, it was so beautiful, this picture look great. I took from Explorer page guys and post it here guys, easily guys. And just to post it, repost, post guys, just to find your best hashtag guys. I show some of website to find your best hashtag guys. I found my website also there guys. The first website is called free website guys. I show the pro website. You can easily get high volume search keyword with less competition guys, but it's a little bit amount cost. If you have an influent cost to invest on Instagram influencing marketing, just invest on this website guys. This is the number one website, best Instagram website guys. You can easily go, but this is the free one guys for me and other who has no money guys. This is keywordtool.io/Instagram guys. Come this website, or I leave a link below guys, keywordtool.io/Instagram guys. Just to click Instagram, just to type your niche guys. Just I type my niche guys, travel. Just to hit search guys, it's automatically search and give some relevant travel hashtag guys. This hashtag is all about, you can get lots of exposure from Instagram guys. You see guys, this travelgram is almost 100 million posts guys. This high competition is, but you can post on this guys, get lots of exposure to your account guys. On travel photography, and I travel photography, traveling, travels, travel about guys, easily guys. Just come over this is a paid version guys. If you had money, just to put on this guys, but I don't recommend this one. I show another website. You can easily get lots of tools guys, not only hashtag researcher, time limit post, time threshold. There is lots of guys, lots of way you can post and boost your Instagram influence guys. You see guys, just to copy this one, just to copy and paste to your Instagram feed guys, paste to your Instagram caption guys. And the third one is, the caption is important guys. Every people see the caption is more important guys. Just add some emoji with your caption guys. Every people don't think caption is not like anything. Caption is main important guys. Just you can make your caption look better guys. Add some emoji. Due to see guys, I add some smiley emoji with follow more destination guys, travel extra, credit with camera emoji, credit the people guys, and tag your friends and love travel. Comment below guys, add some emoji, give some more exposure guys for your content and as well as your account guys. Just add some emojis on your caption guys. Caption is very important guys. Some people think caption is not important, but caption is very important guys. Just to create lovely caption guys. Do you think how I create a good looking caption guys? I recommend how to go. Just to click travel, just to put travel guys, click enter, some page will pop up guys. Just to click this one guys. This is the top tier guys. This is a pro level page, 1.6 million followers guys. Just to go look at this page guys. These people are doing what I do and what every people do. These people also do that way guys. Just to reposting other people post and credit them guys, easily guys. Just to copy this little the caption guys and post it on your, but it's not look like good guys, because this page has 1.3 million followers guys. There is no need for this page to put good caption on this guys, but I recommend put good caption emoji. Caption is important guys. Just go to the fourth one guys. Fourth one is follow for follow guys. You probably heard of follow for follow is completely death in 2020, but still exists guys. You can get followers from follow for follow guys, easily guys. Just to come over this kind of your recommended niche related to your niche guys. Just to come, my niche is travel, I come your travels guys. Just to click followers guys. Just to click followers, it will automatically show you the followers guys. Just to go follow guys, click follow all of you guys. just to follow. Some of people follow you back, guys. It's easy, guys. Just to click follow as much as you can, guys. I recommended 100 followers per day is easily you can get from follow for follower, guys. Just to click follow at least 200 people per day, guys. That's the Instagram algorithm take you to the next level, guys. Don't go after 200, guys, because it's overkill, guys. Just about 200 or less 200, guys. Just to click follow, guys. Easily some people follow back you, guys, because these people is targeted audience, guys. These people easily get follow you, click your follow button, guys, because these people are already like travel niche and love about travel, guys. So you can follow these people, guys. This is my fourth trick, guys. And as I told earlier, I show the pro level website. You can easily get tons of hashtags and tons of tools to boost your Instagram to next level. This website is called Sked Social. I don't know how it's pronunciation. skedsocial.com, guys. Come this website is skedsocial.com, guys. This is the only Instagram tool you need, guys. There is all of tool, guys. There are almost 10,000 brands agency working with this company, guys. There are big companies working with this, guys. If you're a beginner, I don't recommend this, guys. Go to the free version and get some exposure and then come this company, guys. This company has lots of tool, guys. Do you see, guys? There is lots of tool, guys. I show the pricing, and this is pricing might be a big higher, bigger higher, guys, because this is a pro level company, guys. There is also 7-day free trial, guys. If you want to check how's this working, guys, just to put your email and get 7-day free trial, guys. I leave a link below this also, guys. It's not any affiliate link, guys, just a link. This is the price, guys. Freelancer $25 per month, guys. This is lots of money for beginners, guys. That's why I don't recommend this, guys. Just Instagram one account you can easily get, guys. And if you all the way go to enterprises, you can get the access up to 10 account, guys. This is like Instagram marketing. People only choose this kind of package, guys, because this is pro level. I don't recommend this for beginners, guys. Just to go to this one. This is the free, guys. Just to put your hashtag and get lots of hashtag, guys. Lots of competitive hashtag with a high volume search, guys, and post your comment and follow and get some exposure, guys. This is the main, guys. Caption is main one, guys. I show you 4 trick, guys. This is the pro level website for you, guys. I found for you, and I show another website, another trick, guys. That's a 5th one, guys. That is the another follow trick, guys, but it's not like a follow. It's like easily for follow, guys. It's almost targeted, guys. Just to go to the recent post, guys. Just to click, this is the recent post, but I show go to this one, guys. This is also targeted, guys, but this is a detail targeting, guys. You can easily detail targeting, guys. Just to click like, guys. Click like, it's automatically pop up, guys. These people are constantly looking for the travel content, guys. These people are really targeted, guys. Click follow, guys. These people are confirmly follow you back, guys. If you click 100 followers, I think 50 followers follow you back, guys, and unfollow who's not follow you, guys. It's easy, guys. This is the fifth trick I found you for you, guys. If you don't want to waste your time and go to instantly up to 10,000, guys, I recommended this for you, guys, who has some money to get exposure lots in the easy and rocket way, guys. I show this website, guys. Go to business.facebook.com, guys. This is the website. You can put ads on Instagram and get more exposure, guys, but you need some little money, guys. In 2020, this website is probably a good one to reach tons of people, guys. Follow caption. This is a universal trick, guys. You can use too, but it take lots of time. You can get 5,000 and 10,000 followers, guys. Some YouTubers say you can get 20,000 followers in one day, 5,000 followers in 1 week. It's not possible, guys, anymore. 2020, there is a way you can get ads on Instagram, guys, because Instagram algorithm get more and more contribute guys, more and more not easy guys, Instagram algorithm, because Facebook pushes the Instagram audience or uh, Instagram pages owner. They want to, Facebook want to put ads on Instagram guys. Then only the Facebook made tons of money guys. They invited some people from this Instagram and put the algorithm down guys. So there is no way small Instagrammer get more exposure guys. So you need to, if you had a money, you need to go business.facebook.com guys, create an account, put your card on it. Yes guys, put your card on it and get some ads and get some follows and make some money guys. This is the way guys, you can easily get lots of exposure in little time in 2020 guys. Follow for follow, captions, hashtag exposure, this is also work guys. As I told earlier, it took some of time guys. If you patient, go this way, there is no money, no need for money guys. If you not patient for like me, you can go to business.facebook.com and create an account and get paid and get followers guys easily guys. But there is lots of complicated in business manager. Just to go to YouTube and search how to put Instagram ad guys, subscribe to my channel. I show how to put Instagram ad guys in future videos. Let's hit the subscribe button for me and like and share with comment below guys. And this is the 5 trick I found for you guys to make money online. If you got some value from this video, hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, and comment below guys what about think this video helps or not guys. Comment below guys, and thanks for watching. I catch you in the next video guys. Make money online. Peace.